Hello everyone, my name is Emi Wulandari and my student number is 240-203-30218. This time I wanted to tell you about my summary and opinion me to my final product. First summary is this article discussed the development of culture beside Indonesian language textbook for foreign speaker. And this mine is BIPA. Its academic purpose. The book is designed based on a learning model that combines language skill, language awareness, culture awareness, and culture experience. The material are organized in 10 units with Indonesian culture themes such as art, food, clothing, and traditional ceremonies. The pilot test results showed a significant improvement in the learned language skill after using the book. The research confirmed the importance of culture integrated in language learning to increase learning effectiveness and engagement, as well as to support the international of Indonesian language. And next, my opinion, I think the journal is really interesting because it shows the importance of learning a language along with its culture. Learning Indonesian for foreign is not enough to just know the grammar, but also to know what Indonesian culture is like, from food, traditional clothing to the way they celebrate important events. I think the book developed in this journal is good because it's the complete and invites learning to directly experience Indonesian culture, not only through text but also through real active. This makes the learning process more exacting and meaningful. I also feel that this approach can really help promote Indonesia to the outside world, especially now that it has become one of the official language in UNESCO. So in my opinion, the idea should be supported and developed more widely. And next, second, my summary is the journal discussed the implementation of culture beside Indonesian as a foreign language in its BIPA. Learning in SIG University in Yogyakarta. The results show that although the BIPA program are generally running well, the integrated of culture into the learning process is still not optimal, except such as program management, learning material and media, as well as teaching approach and method do not fully reflect Indonesian culture value in debate. Learning assessment is still limited and only a few institutions and add culture element through activities such as culture festival. Program evaluate has also not accept explicitly measured the extent to which students understand and experience Indonesian culture. Therefore, the author recommended that future BIPA program integrate local culture more thoroughly in material, media, method, and assignment, so that Indonesian language learning becomes more meaningful, contextual, and interesting for foreign speakers. And next, this opinion. My opinion, I think the journal is great and open up instantly into the importance of learning and language that cannot be separated from culture. So far, we may think that learning a language is enough with grammar, vocabulary, and speaking practice. But through this journal, I realized that culture plays a big role in making foreigners really understand how Indonesian communicates and behave on a daily basis. Unfortunately, from the result of the research, it turned out that there are still many campuses that run PIBA program but have not really included culture as an important part of learning. In fact, if culture is more involved, learning can be more lively and fun. In my opinion, it will be much more effective if language teaching is made more interactive. For example, by going directly to traditional market, learning batik, or participation in culture event. It will make foreign students more familiar with the Indonesian language and our way of life. So I totally agree that in the future program like this need to be developed more seriously and more closely. And third, my summary is the research discuss the importance of integrate the local culture of Malabik Taut Mandar in student character educate at the University of West Sulawesi. Malabik Taut Mandar culture organizing for Mandar people contain noble values such as honesty, responsibility, courtesy, and noble behavior which have been neglected in the learning process through as ethnopedagogical approach. This research reveals that these cultural values are very relevant to build the character of students to become individuals with dignity and integrity. Therefore, structure qualification of Malabik Taut Mandar value is learning is very important to strengthen the character of the younger generation while preserving local culture heritage. And then in my opinion, is the Malabik Taut Mandar culture is indeed very important to be maintained and applied in everyday life, especially in the world of education. Values such as honesty, mutual respect, and good behavior tough is this culture are actually very relevant to shaping the character of better student. I feel that in the midst of the time and the increasingly strong evaluation of globalization, many young people are starting to forget local value like this. In fact, if the value of Malabik Taut Mandar can be integrated into learning of campus, not only will the character of students be stronger, but also the local cultural identity will be maintained. I also agree the character education is not enough just through theory, but it must really be applied in daily activities so the student can feel the benefit directly. So, in my opinion, in this time for us to be more serious about incorporating local cultural values such as Malabik Taut Mandar into the education system so that our young generation is not only academically smart but also has good and proud character. Okay, thank you.